Hey, what's up, Tron Holder? It's a really great news for all of you, and it's game completely our, my brother. We predicate this coin, we do analysis, my brother, and also share opinion now in this video. So, Tron Holder must watch this video to understand better now. From last 7 days, my friend, every cryptocurrency very badly falls down. So, therefore, my brother, this time the Tron TRX is also very badly falls down. So, remember, my brothers, to when they falls down, absolutely, my friend, after a fails, they will take a very huge jump now. So, therefore, I know to upcoming time they will move upward now. So make sure, my brothers, to subscribe this channel before start video. Please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So my brother, this time the TRX price is 0.06 USD dollar, and remember, this is last 7 days last 1 month chart is on the screen. And if you can see, this time the last profit, especially last 24-hour profit, so absolutely gonna be very good now, and they will moving upward now. So I'm so happy to see this. But from last 7 days, you can see minus 5.62% the price will fail us down. So therefore, holders, be alert before you take any decision. Please research personally, and remember to, after a fail, every cryptocurrency will take a very huge jump now. So therefore, I know to upcoming time the coin will go in the moon now. Let's see, but kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notifications. See you next time.